Sine rule. The law of sines states that for any triangle, the ratio of a side length to the sine of its opposite angle is constant. So A over sine A equals to B over sine B equals to C over sine C. For the cosine rule is used when we are given either 3 sides or 2 sides and the included angle. So for any triangle ABC with sides A, B, and C, which are opposite of the angles A, B, and C, the cosine rule is yung A square equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cosine A, where the side B, B square, equal to A square plus C squared minus 2AC cosine B. Yung C squared, the side C, equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cosine C. Small letters A, B, C are sides, whereas the big letters A, B, C are angles. So opposite of the angles, angle A is A, side A. Opposite for the angle B is side B. We will use this one in solving triangles, especially the oblique triangles. Example, sine law. Find the sides A and C using sine law from this triangle. So solution, you have side A. For side A, you have that one. A over sine A equals to B over sine B, or A equals to B sine A over sine B, or it is equals to or A equals to 23 sine 35 over sine 50 equals to 17.22 meters. So for letter B, side C. So C over sine C equals to A over sine A. But angle C equals to 180 minus 35 plus 50, equivalent to 95 degrees. So you have this one, C over sine 95 equals to 17.22 over sine 35. And C equals to 17.22 sine 95 over sine 35, or C equals to 29.91 meters. Example, cosine law. Calculate the side A of the triangle below. So you have that one. This one is side C, given to be 30 meters. This one is side A, and this one is 20 meters, 25 degrees. This one is yung angle B. So, solution. Side A equals to square root of B squared minus plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A. This is cosine lower equals to square root of 20 squared plus 30 squared minus 2 times 20 times 30 cosine 25 degrees, or your side A equals to 14.575 meters.